Today is so boring.
What's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
Guess what I got for me?
What?
2 custom shoes that look exactly like my legs, so I'll be like this tall.
Nice, brother.
Wait, how did I do that? Huh. Well, I'm just gonna go take these to my house. Now I bought you something, but it wasn't with my credit card. Okay.
What was it with?
I bought you a crossbow,
Ooh.
a Nerf crossbow that cost me $60 because it's custom made green because it was red before. But it's
Hey,
custom.
brother, say cheese.
You know how much it cost?
How much?
$200. And it's out of your credit card account.
I like it.
You're welcome. I got the green. It was red before,
Oh!
so I was gonna buy it for me, but I mean you can have it. So I'll see you later, brother.
Hold on, brother. Oh. Let's go inside the field.
Let's go. Ugh. 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 Brother, you touch it. Luigi,
Yes.
come out for a second.
Why?
Because I want to see you.
I can't.
Get out.
What do you want?
You took my hat. Wait, whose leg was that?
Huh.
Did you see that?
What?
Somebody's leg was there.
What?
On the camera.
No, but there's somebody behind here.
Hey, there's a horsey.
Where's the horsey?
Down there it is.
Where?
Down there. Look here.
What, in here?
Yes. Brother, what do you have on your face?
I have my mask on.
What?
I have my mask on.
I can't understand you.
I don't want to catch the cough.
Oh, you don't want to catch the cough. Okay, I see what you mean. Shall I go do that?
Yes.
Alright. I'll be back.
Okay.
Luigi, this sucks.
Hello, do you want to catch the cough?
I don't want to catch the cough. The waiter does it. The waiter does it.
I don't know.
We better go tell him to get his mask on.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go tell him.
Okay.
Alright, it's ring.
Okay.
It does it.
What?
Bowser, you need to come down to our house.
I can't understand a word you're saying, Mario.
You need to come down to our house.
I need to come down to your house?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
So, come down?
Yes.
Why?
Because you need to get something from us.
Because I need to get what from you?
Something from us.
Money from you?
Something from us.
I don't understand a word you're saying.
Something from us.
Money from you.
No.
I don't know what you're saying.
I'm gonna send you text. I'm done.
Okay.
Stupid freaking Bowser.
I mean, it is kind of hard to understand you.
Yes, good point. Well, you should be. I'll text him. He should be on his way in 50 seconds.
Mario, where are you? I'm downstairs.
Oh, well, I'll be back.
Okay.
When will Bowser be here?
Okay, I'll get my mask, Mario. You ready?
Yes, thank you, Mario. Bowser, what the frick? Thank you, Bowser.
Hold on. See, I've been around my friend, and he said he had something called the cough. So.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Yes, number one. Yes, we have an incident with the cough. Okay. Bowser, somebody's here to see you.
Oh wait, hold on. I'll be right back.
Where's he going?
Okay, I'm back. I don't agree with that. I do not agree with that.
Wait,
Get
hold
back! Get back!
on. Mario? I'm gonna see what Luigi's up to. Actually, I don't want to see what he's up to. He's too busy.
I do not want to keep. You can't beat me.
Listen, Mario. I know you don't want the
Come
coffee.
back!
Oh, I don't feel so good. Oh, I feel sick.
Kermit the Frog preparing for duty. Coming in 3 or 2 or 1. What's up, guys? So sure you have the cough. Sure, you have the cough. Okay, that guy. I need you to put in these handcuffs for me. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. I'm not
Achoo!